Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a specific configuration of the HP Pavilion 15.6 inch laptop. This particular model comes with some significant upgrades right out of the box, which is why the seal was opened, specifically for the RAM and SSD enhancements. It's worth noting that the warranty structure reflects this, with a 1-year warranty on the upgraded components from the seller and the original 1-year manufacturer warranty covering the rest of the laptop. Let's start with the display. It features a 15.6-inch HD LED touchscreen. This means you get a visual experience with sharp details and vibrant colors, and the added touch capability offers a more interactive way to navigate and work, enhancing both productivity and entertainment. Under the hood, this Pavilion is powered by an Intel Core i3-1215U processor. This is a 12th generation chip that strikes a good balance between performance and efficiency. It's well suited for everyday computing tasks, handling things like web browsing, document editing, and streaming smoothly while also being power conscious. Now, what really makes this configuration stand out are the memory and storage upgrades. You're getting a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. This amount of RAM is fantastic for multitasking. It allows you to run numerous applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns, keeping your workflow incredibly smooth and responsive. For storage, it boasts a total of 1.16 terabytes, which is broken down into a speedy 1 terabyte SSD, plus an additional 128 gigabytes from a docking station set, and a 32 gigabytes micro SD card. The 1 terabyte SSD alone provides lightning-fast boot times and application loading, and the combined storage capacity gives you ample space to store a vast collection of files, applications, photos, and videos. For graphics, it utilizes Intel UHD graphics. While not designed for demanding gaming or heavy video editing, it provides solid image quality for everyday content, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details for your viewing pleasure. Other notable features include a full-size keyboard with an integrated numeric pad, which is a great addition for anyone who works with numbers frequently. The laptop supports HP Fast Charge, allowing you to get from 0 to 50% battery in about 45 minutes, which is very convenient for on-the-go use. It also includes an HP True Vision HD camera for clear video calls, even in lower light conditions, and HP custom-tuned stereo speakers for decent audio quality. Connectivity is modern with Wi-Fi 6E support, and it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. Overall, this upgraded HP Pavilion 15.6-inch laptop, with its significant RAM and storage boost, positions itself as a highly capable machine for productivity, multitasking, and general everyday use, offering a compelling package for those who need ample memory and fast, spacious storage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.